different problems and a little bit hard problems. Let us discuss now. Okay. So 18th problem, whenever you see that the curve is given to you, y is equals to 4x cube minus 2x to the power of 5. Find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Tangent is passing through the origin. So find the all the points at which the tangents passes through, means where the tangents are passing through the origin, that all the points you need to find out. So here tangent, tangent is nothing but it is a one line. So you need to find out the first slope. Equation of the line is given. So therefore slope can be found out by the dy by dx. So dy by dx is equals to 12x square minus 10x to the power of 4. Isn't it? Is it okay? Dy by dx.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here dy by dx is equals to, you got it, this one. Next, what is here? This is a slope. You can consider this as a slope. So therefore slope of the equation of a line is slope of the tangent is equals to 12x square minus 10x to the power of 4. So the equation of the tangent is passing through the origin, and it passes through origin. It passes through origin 0, 0. So equation of a line passing through the origin, y minus 0 is equals to slope 12x square minus 10x to the power of 4 into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equals to, so here what you are going to get here, y minus 0 is equals to, so y is equals to x, you multiply here 12x cube minus 10x to the power of 5. And also we are having y is equals to, given y is equals to 4x cube minus 2x to the power of 5. So this one and this one both are equal. You can make it is equals here. So therefore 12x cube minus 10x to the power of 5, 12x cube minus 10x to the power of 5 is equals to 4x cube minus 2x power 5. Okay. So on simplification, if you take this one to the this side, you are going to get 8x power 5, 8x power 5, and this one also to this side, you are going to get minus 8x cube is equals to 0. So from this, you take the minus 8x cube common, then you are going to get x square minus 1 is equals to 0. So from this, you can write x is equals to 0 or x square minus 1 equal to 0. So that is nothing but x is equals to plus or minus 1. If x equal to 0, y value find out. If x equal to 1, y value find out. X equal to minus 1, y value find out. 3 by substituting in this. So x is equals to 0 implies y is equals to 0. So therefore 0 comma 0 is 1 point. X is equals to 1 implies y is equals to 4 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 to the power of 5. So which is equals to 4 minus 2, which is equals to 2 you are going to get. If x is equals to minus 1, you can substitute, na? That part you can do it. I think it is not necessary to explain that also. X equal to minus 1. So these are the 3 points you are going to get. At these 3 points, the equation of the tangent to this curve will pass us through the origin. So because that 3 points are one is origin. At the place of origin, if you draw the tangent, it passes through the origin. Already you know that. If you draw the tangent here, see here graphically also you should be ready to understand. Suppose the points are here. What are the points? One point is here. Okay. Another point is 0 comma 1 comma 2 is there. 1 comma 2 approximately here. So if you are having a curve like this, you may have the curve. Suppose approximation I am giving to you. If you draw the tangent here like this, at this place, this tangent also will passes through the origin. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is a one problem which is different. And 19th problem, whenever you said parallel to the x-axis, that already you have done. And 20th problem, some variables are given. Equation of the normal to the point. एक point is दे दिया है. So that means that point में ये कर सकते हैं. Problem थोड़ा सा lengthy है. 21 you can do it. Parallel to the one line is given. Equation of a line. 21 also you can do it. And 22, if you see that, find the equation of the tangent and normal to the parabola y square is equals to 4ax at that particular point. So at that point you need to find out the slope, and the slope point form you have to use. That also you can do. 23, this is different. So let us discuss this problem. Okay. So the question is, what is given in 23rd one? Two curves are given. Prove that x is equals to y square is a one curve. Okay. And another is xy is equals to k. X is equals to y square is a one curve, and xy is equals to k is another curve. Cut at right angles if 8k square is equals to 1. So these two cut at right angles is nothing but their normals to be taken into consider. Two curves intersect at right angles. Curves are intersecting at right angles. So you note this point here very clearly. Two curves intersect at right angle if the tangents, or you can take the normals also. If the tangents curves tangent to curve, the point intersection or contact, point of intersection are perpendicular to each other. Is it understandable? The handwriting थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो रहा होगा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clearly दिख रहा है ना?
हाँ sir, दिख रहा है.
So two curves intersect. Curves are intersecting at right angles is nothing but their tangents to be taken into consider. Their tangents at a point of intersection where these two are intersecting, that point. This is very important problem, even examination point of view also. Please everyone concentrate. Okay. So now here first thing is you need to do the what is the point of intersection of these two curves. ये दोनों curves किधर intersect होता है वो find out करना है. So how do you find out? Normally whenever two equations are given, equations solve करते हैं we will. So but here the curves are given to you. One is given to you x is equal to y square, and another one is given xy is equals to k. So here substitute yes, what you can do, this first one, you x is equals to y square substitute in xy is equals to k. इसमें substitute कर लो. ये x place में y square लिखो. So what do you get here? In the place of x you write y square. Sorry, in the place of x you have to write y square. So y square into y is equals to k. So that is nothing but y cube is equals to k. So that is nothing but y is equals to k to the power of 1 by 3. Y is equals to k to the power of 1 by 3. If y is equals to k to the power of 1 by 3, x is equals to y square na. So x is equals to y square. So y place में k power 1 by 3 substitute करो, k power 1 by 3 whole square, so which is equals to k power 2 by 3. So x is k power 2 by 3, y is equals to k power 1 by 3. So that is nothing but at this particular point you need to find out the tangents to these two curves. So the point of intersection of the curves, therefore the point of intersection of the curves, the point of intersection of the curves is k power 2 by 3 comma k power 1 by 3, k power 2 by 3 comma k power 1 by 3. So now here at this particular point you need to find out the tangents, slope of the tangents, and slope of the tangents, whenever slope of the tangents perpendicular is nothing but the product of that slopes will be equals to minus 1 होना है. So from that you are going to get the required solution. So now the here what to do here, remember the point k power 2 by 3 and k power 1 by 3. So differentiating the first curve, so you differentiate the first curve. So differentiating first curve is x is equals to y square, so with respect to x. So why we need to differentiate? To find out the slope of the tangent to the curve. So what you are going to get here, if you differentiate, 1 is equals to 2y dy by dx. हाँ सर, मस्ट तो नहीं है. So here what do you get here? 1 is equals to 2y dy by dx. 1 is equals to 2y dy by dx. You are going to, from this dy by dx, what do you get here? 1 by 2y. So at the particular point, so slope of the tangent, slope of tangent to x is equals to y square, yet k power 2 by 3 comma k power 1 by 3, k power 2 by 3, k power 1 by 3. So now that is nothing but what do you get here? This dy by dx at that particular point. So 1 by 2y is given, 1 by 2 into y is here k power 1 by 3, k power 1 by 3 substitute. This is the slope of the tangent to this curve. The second curve is given, differentiating second curve is xy is equals to constant k. Second one is xy is equals to k na. So this one you have to differentiate with respect to x. So uv formula use करना पड़ता है, 1 into dy by dx plus y into 1 is equals to 0. So from this you are going to get dy by dx is equals to minus y you are getting. Sorry, differentiating with respect to x ना, 1 into dy by dx plus y का differentiation. So दोनों से एक तरफ कर लिया, सॉरी ये था गलत. What first differentiating x means y as it is will be there. Differentiating x को differentiate कर रहा हूँ, so y will be as it is, and y को differentiate कर रहा हूँ मैं, x will be as it is. So y को differentiate कर रहा हूँ, which is equals to x. So now what do you get here? This is 1 into y. dy by dx is equals to minus y by x, minus y by x. So here what do you get here? At the particular point, therefore at that point slope of tangent to xy is equals to k at k power 2 by 3 comma k power 1 by 3. What do you get here? Dy by dx is equals to minus k power 1 by 3 by k power 2 by 3. Isn't it? So what do you get? This one is equals to, either you can take it to the numerator or you can take it to the, when you take it to the numerator, k to the power of minus 1 by 3 or minus k to the power of minus 1 by 3 you are going to get. ये ऊपर लेके गए तो 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is nothing but minus 1 by 3 you are going to get. So or you can write minus 1 by 3. So we know that these two curves intersect at right angles. Then the product of their slopes will be equals to minus 1. This one, this one. ये दोनों का slopes है because tangents are perpendicular. So tangents are perpendicular means their slopes product will be. So since tangents are perpendicular, since tangents are perpendicular, product of their slopes is equals to minus 1. So what is the first one slope here? 1 by 2 to the power of k power 1 by 3 or 2 by 3? Why not 1 by 3? Okay. 1 by 3 into minus k power minus 1 by 3 is equals to minus 1. So if you simplify this, what do you get here? ये 1 by 3 ऊपर लेके का minus 1 by 3, so minus 2 by 3 you will get. So minus k power minus 2 by 3 by 2 is equals to minus 1. Minus will get cancelled. So what do you get? K power minus 2 by 3. K power minus 2 by 3 is equals to 2 you are going to get. So cubing on both sides you do it. You want to find out the value of the k. So k value find out karna hai. So cubing on both sides you do minus 2 power 1 by 3 whole cube is equals to 2 cube. You are going to get k to the power of minus 2 is equals to 8. So if k square is taken to that side, you are going to get 8k square is equals to 1. That implies k square is equals to, that is only asking to you to prove. Condition is given na, if 8k square is equals to 1, it is given that 8k square is equals to 1. So here, see here, automatically you are going to get it. This another step is not necessary here to write. This implies, what do you get here? This implies 1 by k square is equals to 8. So that is nothing but 8k square is equals to 1. So the condition is the two curves will intersect at right angle if condition is 8k square is equals to 1. Isn't it? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
very important problem, this problem. Please consider, and once again you practice if you get confused. It is not difficult problem to remember, but you can do it. It's not very difficult. And coming to the next problem, 24th one, that also you may feel little bit different. Find the equation. Different problem is क्या है ना, उधर तो point directly number नहीं दिया है. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the hyperbola is given to you. You can do it. It's not very difficult to you to do it. 24th one, if you see that, I'm going to explain to you. X square by a square. Bada bada आ रहा है. X square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to 1 is the equation of the curve. So to this you have to find out at the point x0 y0 you need to find out. So dy by dx you have to find out. Dy by dx is nothing but 2x by a square minus 2y by b square dy by dx is equals to 0. So this implies 2y by b square dy by dx is equals to 2x by a square, isn't it? Okay, so now what do you get here? Dy by dx is equals to 2x by a square into b square by 2y. So 2 will get cancelled. B square x by a square y. B square x by a square y. Okay, so therefore slope of the tangent to the curve, tangent का slope बोले तो at that particular either x0 y0 आ जाएगा. Slope of the tangent if you want. Slope of the tangent at x0 y0 is equals is implies what do you get here? Dy by dx is equals to b square x0 by a square y0. So this is a slope and equation is asking to you to find out. So whenever you are having a slope, the equation of a line formula what? Y minus y0 is equals to b square x0 by a square y0 into x minus x0. So इसको simplify करना है. Just you have to simplify it. So you can simplify it. It's not very difficult to you. That simplification part also explain करूँ.
No,
Okay,
sir.
let us see. Okay.
No,
You can
sir.
do it. This is very simple here. Simplification, in the simplification to get the required answer is not necessary. Here if you little bit if you simplify and x coefficient y coefficient all together if you take into consider. Here something you make this equation into the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. x y a some constant. ऐसा इस फॉर्म में लेके आओ बस in any way. So if you make into that form, then the required answer you are going to get. Okay. So next in the same bed, normal find out करना है तो minus equation of the slope of the normal is minus 1 by this one. So that is nothing but minus a square y0 by b square x0 you are going to get minus b square x0. Okay. So that's all. Next, find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equals to under root of 3x plus 4, which is parallel to the parallel is given to you. So it's not very difficult to you to do that one. Maybe you are going to get the some 26th one, slope of the normal to the curve. Sin x is given here. 2x square plus 3 sin x at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, the value you need to find out. So it's not very difficult problems. They are all, you can do it. Okay. With this exercise 6.3 is completed. Next we are going to have the important topic